Once an organization decides to invest in training, we can finally explore the content that employees need to learn. Here, a task refers to a specific work activity associated with a job, which is a specific position within a company that is made up of many tasks. Task analysis helps us identify all of the tasks that should be included in training, as well as the KSAOs that are required to complete each task. These tasks and person characteristics will eventually help us write the learning outcomes for the training program. In most situations, we should wait to analyze the task until we've analyzed the organization. The acronym KSAOs refers to knowledge, skills, abilities, and other characteristics that trainees need to successfully perform some task. It also refers to the characteristics of the situation that are required for successful performance. Knowledge includes the information that people need to have committed to long-term memory to do the task. This includes facts, figures, theories, models, procedures. Skills refer to the learned and habitual behaviors that are required for job performance. Negotiation skills, teaching skills, design skills, for example. Abilities are quite broad and can include both mental and physical abilities required by a task. Think of things like the ability to lift heavy objects or the ability to pay attention for long, extended periods of time. The O stands for other characteristics, other specifications, other requirements. When we're talking about the person, O can refer to things like personality, interests, things that are typically associated with job performance. The O can also refer to other characteristics of the environment, things that help employees learn and transfer their learning to the job. Things like equipment and safety considerations.